bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, we're going to set up my cash wallet for the week. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you decided to join me. Truly appreciate you. And hopefully you decide to subscribe to my channel. And hopefully there's some content that would interest you. Because I do plan with me, budget with me, cash stuffing, investing, some unboxing of Happy Meal, and some tips on how to save at the pump. So hopefully something will interest you. You've been here before. Girl, hey. So glad you decided to come back. So I had just finished my budget for the month of November, and now I'm going to add the carry forward amounts of my cash wallet to my budget planner. This is my November section, so I will know what I'm starting off with, and I'm going to add additional monies to different categories based on what I need for the week. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you might not know this. If you've been here before, I'm sure you heard me say this, but for the new people that's on my page, for 2025, I want to do all black paper planning for 2025. I did it a few years ago. So I miss it. So I want to do it for 2025. So last week, the earlier part of last week, I saw an A5 black paper planner, a ring planner, but it was sold out. So I was like, oh well, I guess I don't need it. So I just went ahead and purchased some pens for blackout planning because they had what, 4 colors? Well, they had 6 colors. They have the Uno colors, and then they have the silver and gold. So I ordered it, guys, but a few days ago, I happened to go on their website and I saw that A5 planner and I ordered it. Yes, I did. So, girls, I am set for A5 and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, let's go ahead and cash stuff my food cash envelope. So I had a carry forward of $30 already in the cash wallet, and I'm adding an additional 30, and you see that I did some bills exchange, so my total food category is $60 right now. Okay, so this is my miscellaneous. I already have $5, and I'm adding $30. So if anything comes up the week, I will use that, or if I need a buffer. So for household, I'm carrying forward $5, and I'm going to add $30 more, which will leave me with $35. Okay, so I don't want to cash stuff my wallet with a bunch of $2 bills. So let me get my sinking funds binder or one of my other binders so I can condense down so I have enough, larger bills within my cash envelope. Okay, so let's count this up to make sure it's right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, so now that I swap bills, I'm adding the $30. Okay, so the next category is mess, and I'm adding $20 for this one. And then my last category will be hair, and I'm going to add $100. Okay, guys, that's it for my cash stuffing for the week. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have any freebie saving challenges, leave those in the comment as well so we can support you. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Toodles!